Jamaican porridge, cornmeal porridge. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I do my cornmeal porridge. So take a look at my ingredients. So I have my milk, and this is Nestle Omega low fat milk. I have a medium sized coconut. I have my nutmeg, refined cornmeal, and this is the brand Indian Girl. 2 cinnamon leaves, mixed spice, and this contains cinnamon, allspice, ginger, cloves, and other spices. And I have my vanilla, and I'm just going to show you how I do my procedure in preparing my ingredients for my cornmeal porridge. I have my water on the stove boiling, and I have about 2.5 cups of water boiling. So guys, stay tuned for midway through or the finished products. And if you're still here with me, remember to hit that subscribe button. Remember to also hit the bell beside it, so each time I make a new video and upload, you're instantly notified. Remember to comment, like, share, and watch the entire video. Guys, change of plans. I meant to make a small pot of porridge and ended up going to have to make a large pot of porridge. Yes, this cornmeal was so much. So if you are going to use the Indian Girl cornmeal and you're only planning on making a small pot, do not use all of the cornmeal. So as I said, I will have to be making a large pot. So yeah, my big bowl, and I had to change the size of my pot on the stove as well. So you will see that update. So what I did was I poured hot water in a bowl with my cornmeal and mix it with a fork, or if you have a whisk, you can go ahead and use a whisk. So just use the water, the warm water, add to the cornmeal in a bowl, because I'm trying to get it liquefied as possible, and also to reduce the amount of lumps that will be in the cornmeal once I add it to the pot. So then add the coconut milk to my pot of boiling water. Add my coconut milk to the pot. Just give that a stir. And then we're going to add the cornmeal to the pot now. So I've added my cornmeal mixture to my water on the stove with my coconut milk in there. Time for us to sweeten this porridge, and I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla. And this is about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm just going to add a little bit of the mixed spice because it has cinnamon, and I'm going to be adding my cinnamon leaf as well, so I don't want the cinnamon to be too overbearing. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my nutmeg. So let me just crack my nutmeg. And I'm just going to give this a stir. Guys, I wish if you could smell this. This is smelling so nice. I don't drink porridge, but when I smell the porridge each time I make it, I feel like I should go back to drinking porridge. So I'm just grating my nutmeg over the pot. You can go ahead and grate your nutmeg in a dish, and then you can add it to the pot. But this way for me is so much easier and much less dishes to do while I'm cooking or even when I'm finished cooking. So see, I have my little grater. Don't watch my little nutmeg grater. It's old. I know it's old. This is actually my father-in-law's grater, so I know that he has had this grater since when. So I think that should be enough for nutmeg. Go ahead and comment and tell me if you are a porridge lover and how you do your porridge, and also which porridge is your favorite porridge. So that should be enough. I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to be sweetening my porridge with some condensed milk, and I'm using Nestle condensed milk. So again, right in the pot. So this is just my estimate of, so I won't have like a precise measuring to give you guys, because I'm just going to add the milk until it's sweet enough. So I don't drink porridge, as I said before, but I will be tasting to see if the sweetness level is okay, because I don't want it too sweet, because you don't want persons to be unable to drink your porridge after spending the time making it. So I have a fork right here, and I'm just going to be testing to see if it's sweet enough. Okay, so we're still not there with the sweetness level. Tell me if you use condensed milk to sweeten your porridge or you use sugar. Sometimes I use both, and in this case I'll probably be using both, because as I said, this is a lot of porridge. I meant to cook a small pot, and somehow I ended up cooking a large pot of porridge. I don't know how. So it's raining outside, so this porridge should be good for the weather. So guys, go ahead and make some porridge. Get all snuggly and eat your porridge. Or is it drink? Comment below and tell me if you say eat your porridge or drink your porridge. I don't even know which one it is. I think it's drink though. But someone always saying eat your porridge. My porridge is finished, and it's just the way that my family likes it. It's not thick. They like when it's like this, it's thin. So look at this consistency. That's the way how they like it. So I'm going to pour a bowl so you guys can see my porridge. So guys, the porridge is ready, and the smell of this is making me wish that I eat porridge or even like porridge, but unfortunately I don't. So I'm just going to take this to one of my family member. I think I'm going to take it to my mom, because my mother feel like say me can't cook porridge. So I'm going to take this porridge to her so she can taste it, and I'm going to dare her to comment in the comment section below and tell you guys how this porridge was so delicious, because guys, the smell of this, I know that it tastes so good, because remember, like, I tasted it to see the sweetness level, and I wish I just can't eat porridge. I don't know why. I used to like cornmeal porridge once, but I don't eat it anymore. I think it's too much. I ate too much in the past. So But guys, try these ingredients. A lot of person like porridge but don't know how to cook porridge. Follow these ingredients, you can't miss out on this, and stay tuned for other ingredients, other recipe coming up. And also remember to comment below and tell me what you would like to see me prepare for you guys. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And remember to just hit that little bell beside the subscribe button, so each time I upload a new video you are automatically notified, so you can be the first to watch. Alright, until then, lovies, walk good.